Well, it sure was an enjoyable election day weather-wise outside. Temperatures getting up above 70 in most areas, and in some cases we're still there as we're getting ready for the sun to head down. Right now at the Savannah Airport, we're at 72. It's cooler along the coast, including 64 on Hilton Head. Richmond Hill, you're at 67 degrees. Glenville, 70 degrees right now. And in Vidalia, it's a pleasant 72. Now, of course, as the sun goes down, temperatures will drop fairly quickly at first, but not as chilly as the last few nights. In fact, tonight's temperature is at least 10 degrees warmer than the last couple of nights, an average low of 52 degrees. Skies remaining fair. We'll just see a few high clouds impacting the area. Let's take a look at projected temperatures for tomorrow. Look at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, mid to upper 70s. So another pleasant day coming up, a little bit higher than what we saw today. And it looks like on Thursday, as we get to about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we may even reach up to near 80, at least up in the upper 70s, so some more mild weather. But after Thursday, we are going to see cooler air coming in from the west. As we head through noontime on Friday, our temperatures may not be quite up to 60, so we're heading back into the cooler weather to finish out the week. All right, we'll look at our sky cover. We have seen some high clouds coming across the area today. Mostly not thick enough to block out the sun, but enough to dim it at times. And I think we're going to see more of that coming up tomorrow. A large area of clouds out to our west and even some showers, and that's ahead of that cooler air that I showed you was going to come into the area on Friday. All right, so let's take a look at your next 3 days coming up. We start off tonight, just a few high clouds out there. Later on tonight, we'll continue to see fair conditions, a few high clouds waking up, otherwise sunshine at 7 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, we may see somewhat thicker clouds at times in the afternoon today. There's even a little green showing up, and I don't think that'll be actual showers, although I can't rule out maybe a sprinkle or two, but basically dry weather tomorrow, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If we're going to see a shower, it will be on Thursday, but it looks like as a band of showers out to our west in the morning heads east, it likely will fall apart. So rain chances look pretty low. Maybe an isolated shower through 3 o'clock on Thursday, but it looks like primarily we'll have mostly cloudy skies. And then behind it, we'll have clearing coming up as we get into Thursday night and Friday. And that's what's going to be turning cooler as we head through the day on Friday. So we'll be back to jacket weather during the day on Friday. All right, let's break down your forecast for tomorrow. It'll be a cool start, but not as cold as the last couple of mornings, about 52 degrees at 7 o'clock with fair conditions. We'll have that mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon, and it'll be pleasant. Temperatures keep reaching up into the upper 70s. All right, your upcoming tides look like this. We've got high tide very late tonight, low tide right around midnight. Meanwhile, we look at your forecast out on the water and the wind direction tomorrow out of the east. Switching around next couple days after that, cool breeze developing as we head through Friday. Latest pollen report showing that wheat pollen is now down to low and mold is showing up as high. All right, we're looking ahead to that weekend forecast. The cooler air coming in Friday is going to stick around, but we're going to have lots of sun on Saturday, the high of 66 degrees. Should be a great day for the Rock and Roll Marathon. On Sunday, we might see a few clouds mixing with the sun, but right now it still looks like it's mainly just going to be fair and a little cool, high temperature still in the mid to upper 60s. Here's your entire Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. Breezy on Friday as that cooler air comes in. And I showed you over the weekend how we'll see sunshine with a few clouds. Cool weather continues in the beginning of next week. Not much chance of rain in the forecast. Really, the only chance is a slight one. Kevin and Jennifer coming up on Thursday.